Hello viewers, let us first learn how to make a triangle and its medians by paper folding method and then verify using the compass and straightedge or ruler that whether these medians are made correctly. Take a sheet of paper, fold it thrice by different ways to form a triangle, say triangle ABC. It is such that each pair of the adjacent creases meet at a point. Swing its left edge across the right edge, making sure that both points B and C coincide with each other and the crease intersects the line BC at its midpoint D, that is BD equal to DC. Swing the left edge across the right edge to fold along the line AD such that crease starts at the point A and passes through the midpoint D. Open up the folding to get the crease line AD, which is a median on side BC of this triangle. Similarly, first swing the right corner C of this triangle across its top corner A to form the midpoint, say E. Then fold along the line BE to get its second median, BE, on the side AC. Similarly, first swing the paper along AB to get the midpoint F. Then fold along the line CF to get the third median CF on the side AB of this triangle. Thus, the three medians AD, BE and CF of the triangle ABC are made by this paper folding method. Now, using the compass and straightedge or ruler, let us verify whether these medians are made correctly. Using the compass, draw the perpendicular bisector of BC that intersecting BC at D, which is the midpoint of BC. Join AD. See that the previously made crease for the median AD exactly coincides with the line drawn now. Similarly, draw the perpendicular bisector of AC intersecting AC at its midpoint E. Then join the second median BE of this triangle. See that the previously made crease for the median BE exactly coincides with the line drawn now. Use your compass in the similar way to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB intersecting AB at its midpoint F. Then join the third median CF of this triangle. See that the previously made crease for the median CF exactly coincides with the line drawn now. Thus, it is verified that these three medians of this triangle are correctly made by this paper folding method. If you have any queries, comment in my comment box. Like and share this video. Also subscribe my channel and hence press the bell icon. Thanks.